Dear students, in last class, I uploaded a video for class 12th English course. In that video, I have described about the distribution of marks. Today, I would like to discuss about the cut syllabus which has been published by Jharkhand Academic Council for the coming examination of class 12 in 2021. Class 12 JAC Board English Course. In last session, I have discussed that the question of English has been divided into three different sections. These are section A, section B and section C. Earlier in reading section, we had to study about the passage and note making. This time there will be no question from note making. That's why we have to only concentrate on reading comprehension, from which the question of 20 marks will be set. After that, there will be a writing section. Now we discuss what will come in writing section. In writing section, this is point B. What have you to study in writing section? In writing section, earlier we had to study 4 different short compositions, and these were notice, advertisement, poster, invitation. But this time only we have to study notice. That will be of 5 marks and the word limit will be only 50. You have to write notice only in 50 words and the question will be set of only 5 marks. In question number 2 of writing section, there will be letters to the editor. It will be of 10 marks and the word limit should be 125 to 150. Again, we have to attempt a question for report writing, that will be of 10 marks and the word limit should be not more than 150. You can write it either in 125 words or 150 words. The fourth one is article writing. That will be also 10 marks and the word limit will be 150 to 200. You have to write article and it should be between 150 to 200 words. Third one is literature section. In section C, we have to study literature part, that is textbook, and 2 textbooks are prescribed in our syllabus. One is Flamingo and second one is Vistage. So, I am going to discuss how many chapters have you to study in Flamingo book. In Flamingo, there are 2 parts. One is prose and another one is poetry. In prose, we have to study the first chapter, that is the last lesson. The first one is the last lesson. The second is Lost Spring. The third one is Deep Water. The fourth is Indigo. And fifth is Quaint Places. In Flamingo, we have to study only 5 chapters. Earlier, we had to study 8 chapters. Now, 3 chapters are cut, and among these 8 chapters, this time for the coming examination, we have to study only 5 chapters. In my last video, I have discussed about division of marks very well. So those students who had already gone through the video would have no any problem to understand about this cut syllabus about which I have been discussing today. Actually, section C is the literature part, and the literature part is divided into 2 groups, that will be prose and poetry. In prose, we have to a study for 20 marks and poetry for 10 marks. In poetry, we have to study only 4 poetry. The first one is My Mother at 66. The second is An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum. The third one is Keeping Quiet. And the fourth is A Theme of Beauty. This time, we have to study only 4 poetry. Earlier, we had to study 6 poetry. Right now, as I have discussed, there are 2 books prescribed in our syllabus. One is Flamingo and another is Vistage. From Vistage, there will be question of 15 marks. And how many chapters are prescribed in this cut syllabus this time for coming examination? Earlier we had to study 8 chapters, but this time we have to study only 5 chapters. The first one is The Tiger King. The second one is Journey to the End of the Earth. The third one is The Enemy. The fourth one is On the Face of It. And finally, at last, we have to study one more chapter, that is Memories of Childhood. In this chapter, there are 2 stories, but among these, we have to study only one chapter, that is We Too Are Human Beings. For clear concept, I would like to give the short or brief discussion about the marks from the different sections. For your clear concept, I would like to discuss briefly section A, that is reading, it will be of 20 marks. Section B, that will be writing section, it will be of 35 marks. Section C, literature or textbook, that will be of 45 marks. There are 2 books. Book 1 is Flamingo. In Flamingo, there are 2 parts, prose, kahani, poetry, kavita. From prose, there will be question of 20 marks, and from poetry, there will be question of 10 marks. And from book 2, Vistage, there will be question of 15 marks. In this way, the total marks will be 20 plus 35 plus 45, that will be 100. So this is the complete syllabus I have described, and I hope that any student will have no any confusion. If you have any confusion to understand the cut syllabus, then you can comment me. Again, I would try to make you understand very easily, and after this I would explain chapter what I have discussed today in this syllabus session. One by one you will be getting the lecture later on. So you subscribe this channel to get more videos and share and comment.